Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Definite integrals represent signed area under a curve, and we need to find the total sum for this specific function from 0 to 7 quickly.
First, we look at the integral from 0 to 4. Since this region lies entirely below the x-axis, the integral value is -3 despite the area being +3. Next, we examine the integral from 4 to 7. This region is above the x-axis, so the integral equals +3. We must keep these signs straight to avoid any errors. Finally, we add -3 and +3. This addition results in 0, meaning option B is correct. You nailed this tricky problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully because you must trust given areas while checking your steps.